Hi guys, this is the largest animal in the world, blue whale. You have a good chance to come to this blue whale habitat and observe their behavior. Blue whales are common in the southern seas of Sri Lanka. It is from the Mirissa fishing harbour that one can easily navigate the sea to observe this animal. That has been well proven over the past few years. Remember the name Royaltoursmirissa is always ready for you on our boat service. See you in another valuable video like this. We are Royal Tours Mirissa official YouTube channel.